Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting live? Get the TV and Cast device online first. Connect both to the same Wi-Fi because Cast Discovery requires a shared network. Make sure the Hisense TV is awake and its Wi-Fi is enabled. Update firmware when suggested to avoid compatibility glitches. On your phone or tablet, open the app you'll cast from and grant local network permissions so the device can find the TV. Once done, keep both screens visible and move to the TV input for device discovery. Now you'll trigger Discovery and connect. In the app Tapcast or Screencast, you should see the Hisense model or external Chromecast listed. Tap it. If the TV has Chromecast built in, simply choose that entry. If you use an external dongle, switch the TV to that HDMI input first so the device is active. A numeric pairing prompt may appear on the TV. Compare it with the phone and accept to authorize. Once connected, the app's playback controls become your remote, and the content should begin streaming. Finish by confirming smooth playback and sound. Use the app for content control and the TV for volume unless the app offers volume sync. To end casting, tap disconnect or return the TV to another input. That cleanly releases the session. If the TV never appeared, one reliable fix is a full reboot. Power cycle the router, the Hisense TV, and your casting device, because network MDNS discovery often fails after minor network changes. If issues persist, disable VPNs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.